Alright, part is gone. Let's get the next part all the way down there. Alright, these last few cuts, probably gonna take inside. Gotta make sure not to do too much damage around this, because I believe this is a peach. Yeah, this is another, should be another peach, actually grown from a pit, which it looked like it in the dirt. I'll check that in the future, but yeah, just stay tuned and you'll see everything that's grown over here. The smell of this bouquet of lemon balm is just, it smells so much like lemon, it's crazy. Just good. Nature. Alright. Very good trim. Big bushel. Big bouquet of, well, probably a lot of insects as well. But yeah, lemon balm on the right, peppermint and spearmint on the left. Time to collect those. The dried herb, dried balm, and dried peppermint and spearmint. That's one upside down, good smelling bouquet. After sifting through, kind of looks like this. Still a little woodsy stuff in there, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it in this container.
Now yes, you could use 10-10-10 NPK ratio fertilizer, but you know what? I just use kitchen scraps, and once you have it, it's kind of like the plague. It doesn't go away. Oh, and here's some footage of the next episode, which is all about strawberries. So until next time, if I can grow, what's stopping you?